Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we actually have this 1990 Toyota Supra Turbo on the channel. If you guys haven't already, I'll leave a link at the top of the video right now. I just did a full review of this car and we literally just filmed it, so I've already been driving it for a little bit, but the owner was actually nice enough to let me kind of just film a little, you know, GoPro POV driving video. I'm gonna start trying to do these videos a lot more. I know some of them have gotten a decent amount of positive feedback from you guys. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna hop in the car, strap the GoPro to my head, and I'm gonna take you guys on a drive. Okay guys, so I just finished editing this video right here, the POV driving video for the Supra. And unfortunately, throughout the video, the camera angle was messed up. This is a problem sometimes I come across with the GoPros on my head. Can't really test it. I actually put it on, tested the angle before actually filming, and then when I started to film, I guess I just put it a little bit higher. So throughout the video, you're probably going to be like ducking. It's frustrating. I know it was a stupid mistake on my part. It's probably 10 times more frustrating for me editing this video because like I'm editing it and I'm like trying to duck because the headrest is like in the camera half the time. But that being said, I still figured I should you know, upload this video. It's a shorter video, but again, it's still a badass car. And if you haven't already, definitely be sure to check out the review I did on it, like I said earlier in the video. And also, I did want to remind you guys I'm doing my very first giveaway once I hit 1,500 subscribers on the channel. I'm basically going to be giving away $100 worth of my merchandise to one subscriber and one subscriber only. So if you aren't subscribed, definitely go down there and, you know, hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free and helps me out a lot. So anyways, back to the video. Again, I apologize for the, you know, screwed up angle from the GoPro, but I still hope you guys enjoy it. All right guys, so now we're actually driving this 1990 Toyota Supra Turbo. Again, I talk more about the car in the review, so if you haven't seen that, definitely go check it out. But for the most part, I don't really want to talk too much during this video. I'll just kind of get you guys, I guess, give you guys the experience of just being in this Mark III Supra, because this thing is very, very clean inside. And obviously, it definitely is a lot of fun too. That goes without saying. Absolutely love how this thing spools up so quickly. You get a little bit of turbo lag, yeah, because again, this thing is still on the factory single turbo. It's not twin turbo, so you definitely get a little bit of turbo lag, but it's nothing too crazy. Turbo flutter and the blow-off valve of this thing. one, I guess, slight negative of driving this car that I've kind of found through, again, driving it for the review as well as driving it for this video. The 5-speed trans is definitely a little bit loose, but for the most part, like, you know when it's in gear and when it's not, so there's nothing really wrong with that. And again, that's like the worst thing I can really find about driving this thing. This is a very, very enjoyable car to drive. I was trying to like brake a little bit back there to give this Subaru SUV in front of us some space, but even just getting onto it a little bit in that last corner, it just catches up to it immediately. And again, something like this, like around 250 you know, foot-pounds of torque, maybe close to 250 horsepower, people might, you know, really not look at this thing as that much, especially with today's standards, with all the crazy power we're seeing from stock cars. But this thing is still definitely a lot of fun and can throw you back in the seat once this turbo spools up. Alright guys, that's pretty much just gonna be it for today's video. Again, if you haven't seen already, definitely be sure to check out the full review I just filmed on this car. But like always guys, thank you for all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.